Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm going to introduce you how to plug the SIM card and the micro SD card correctly. So as you can see, here is the micro SD card slot and the SIM card slot. Here is the micro SD card, which can also be considered as TF card, plugged into the box. There is a click sound when the card is inserted correctly. Next, we're going to introduce you how to plug in the SIM card correctly. So, if necessary, you will need a card removal needle to help. There will also be a click sound when the SIM card is inserted correctly. Thanks for watching and welcome to purchase from www.binize.com.